guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Nokia. It does have a lock on it, so I cannot use it even after I put a SIM card in. It is locked. So we're going to see if maybe this Nokia will impress me with its drop test abilities, because the last Nokia I did didn't really do so good. So let's see if this beast of a Nokia has what it takes. Head height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and as you see, the display is off and not working, and the case came apart. Let me go ahead and take the battery out, and maybe we'll get it back to life. Okay, maybe. I can't even get the back cover off. There we go. This one has never been taken apart by me anyways. I don't know if a previous owner took it apart, but it looks to be in pretty OEM standards, like it hasn't been taken apart. And the display, like that, guys, is gone. So once again, not very impressed with Nokia. I'll have to get a 3310 and try it maybe, because everybody says really good things about those. But this one, can't remember the model number, but it didn't do so good. Doesn't really line up. I guess it does, yeah. So here we're going to do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and the display is showing something now. It's like a very blurred image of what's, oh, the LCD's bad, look at that. So, corner drop damage. Landed kind of right here and landed straight on the back. Wasn't the best corner drop either. Let's go and try for a face down. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. Still responsive, no display at all. Doesn't seem to work at all on the display, so that's kind of stupid, but still works, I guess. Let's go and go on to the throw drop. This thing's gonna probably just go in pieces if I'm guessing, so come on, camera, focus. There we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh man, look at all the pieces from this thing. Got the battery, the back, the keyboard's over here, and we got the faceplate. Like, the LG Chocolate Touch did better than this thing did, truthfully, guys. I have nothing against Nokia, I don't mind them. You know, they were pretty much the first of the game with this. Really cool phones. I do have one of the Nokia 8800s or 8810s, I think it is. Let's go and see if it turns on. Turns right on. Just no display. Kind of sucks, guys, but alrighty, guys, we are going to try something a little different. We're going to do another throw test on this Nokia in the Suzuki, the new one I got. This is an 03. I got rid of the Envoy. I traded basically straight across for this. I just didn't really like the Envoy. I started having things I didn't really like going on with it. Let's go around this big old pile of dirt real quick. This Nokia is the best one out of the drop test phones so far, so I figured we'll go ahead and test it. Let's go ahead and get lined up. We're going to be a little bit off there. There's going to be no slow motion as well. Let's go and turn on power mode. And let's get ready to do this. Alrighty, let's go back and see how it did. Oh, there it is. Looks like, it looks part of it. Oh, it looks like it's staying in one piece, guys. Looky there. Alrighty. How did the Nokia do? Oh, look at the deep scratches from the screen from being slid. I mean, actually, I'm still working. Kind of surprised. So I guess we should try it one more time just to make sure she's done right. Here we go, get in drive. Actually, not too bad. A couple little marks from the initial drop and skidding. But man, she's doing pretty good. Let's go and go around this big old pile of dirt real quick and we'll get lined up. I gotta finish cleaning this thing up, guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do an intro video on this new car. I've already done some work. As you've seen, I plastic dipped the rims on one of the beginning of the videos. Alrighty, we're kind of off on the side here. And here we go. Make sure this faceplate snapped back on so nothing slides off all the way. Here we go. Oh, it's getting apart that time. I heard it. Alrighty. Whee! Woohoo! Alright, let's see if we can find it. Oh, there's part of it. Oh, the faceplate's gone. The battery's over there. I'm gonna shut this off because it's probably gonna be a while to go get this one. Alrighty, here's the Nokia, completely stripped. Here's the battery. Let's go by and put pieces on it as we find them. Hopefully we find everything. Oh, there's a rock in there. That's great. I can't get the battery in right. Look at me, guys. I'm an amateur. Here's keypad and the faceplate. Let's go and assemble this thing back together. And then last but not least, the back cover. Alrighty, and taking a look at it, nothing really to report. Maybe some more scuff marks from the impact and slid across. Still boots up, as you can hear. Just no LCD from the drop test, guys, but looky there. Pretty impressed with it so far. That's pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.